Welcome everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can try to solve the random crashes in Horizon Zero Dawn. So let's start. The first thing you can do to try is open Steam, go to Store, go to Steam, Settings, and now disable the Steam overlay while in the game. Some of these things may help you with random crashes. Like, I don't know, people are saying that this game needs to be patched immediately because it's really bad. Also, turn off the FPS counter. So these are the two things that you can try to do. Maybe it has to do something with Steam. If you bought this game on Steam and not in Epic Games, click OK. Now, when you have it, you can also try to increase your virtual memory, and you need to do this. So what you're gonna do, just write performance into your search in Windows and adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now you will see these performance options. Right here you want to click on Advanced. In Advanced you want to click here on Change in virtual memory. Now if you see it here, like, okay, this is recommended and this is currently allocated. If you see that recommended is higher than currently allocated, what you need to do is unclick the automatically manage paging file size of all drivers and choose where is the game installed and go with the custom size and initial size. You want the initial size, or maybe on C or D, like where is your game. Choose the recommended version, what they offer you, like what you should have, and then maximum size, choose the highest that you can have, like, I don't know, 10K or whatever. But you want to have like initial size, the recommended one. And then just click OK. This is the second thing. Now, the next thing that you can do, if you can get to options, I recommend choosing like options like this. These are the base what the Horizon creators are recommending. Go with medium textures, model quality ultra, filter medium, shadows low, reflections medium, clouds high, TA anti-alias motion blur on. With the display settings, you want to go with the VSync, like turn off the synchronization to off. Now FPS limit to unlimited, and also display resolution, display mode to full screen, not borderless. I have it only because I'm making the tutorial right now. So these are the two things that you can try to do, and maybe they will have. Also, definitely check up the driver, like update it, but I don't think this is going to work. Maybe some of these things are going to work for you guys, but still, this game needs to get patched. If it's not going to get patched, it won't improve, honestly. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and if you have any other problems, I will try to find a solution for it. Just hit me up in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye. I tried.